All right, we have two 2019 Electra Glide Standards. Pretty much twin bikes. Modifications are very similar. Seats different, but the one on the left has the factory exhaust, and the one on the right was upgraded with Matte Black 909 Cobra neighbor hater mufflers, and we just wanted to show the difference in the sound. So first, the one on the left, the factory exhaust. Pretty tame sound. Now we'll do the one on the right with the Cobra neighbor haters, just so you can hear the difference. Definitely more of a Harley Davidson sound to it, so hopefully that was enough for those of you who are considering upgrades on mufflers.